Hi, welcome to our channel Ketupat Mochi. This time we are going to fly you to Sapporo, Japan. As you can see in this scene, just let them enjoy the moment. It was really cool, and let's explore Sapporo. It's freezing. From Kuala Lumpur, we had flown to a new Chitose airport in Hokkaido. 8 hours direct flight using AirAsia A330-300S. The ticket cost us Ringgit Malaysia 2,396 ringgit. Upon arriving at Chitose, we took airport rapid transfer to Shin Sapporo Station.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Airport Rapid Service train bound for Otaru via Sapporo. We will be stopping at any...
We were so happy experiencing snow shower for the first time. What a beautiful moment! We will then transit to Nishiju Hachome Station and then walk to our guest house on my way. After settling all the luggage, we will then make a move to our first location, Odori Park. Odori Park is the place where the snow festival held in February every year, and this was the main attraction in the winter. Look at those sculptures, it was amazing. While the snow still pouring heavily, we explored all the attraction and took the chance to snap the momentous pictures. Last but not least, you must try this Sapporo ramen. It was delicious. The neon lights of Nikka Whiskey on the Susukino building are the popular spot for the Instagrammers to take awesome pictures. We will then walk to another attraction, Susukino Snow Festival. Here, they built the ice sculpture with the LED add-in. It was amazing.
Budak tak tahan sejuk. Cuba tengok budak tak tahan sejuk.
Tokyo lah.
Teruk duduk Malaysia je lah, tak ada salji.
Tokyo dah salji.
Apa barang? Apa barang tak boleh duduk
Tengok
dengan salji.
gagak dia. Gagak sihat. Tengok gagak lah, gagak.
Gagak gemuk.
Mama tengok tu mama. Itu sebenarnya ni. Tapi dah buka.
Ni video ni. Aish.
Kids, ya.
See? semua dia dah robohkan yang semalam. Tu, budak paling tak tahan sejuk. Konon anime. Elah. Tengok anime buat jam tapi tak tahan sejuk.
Tokyo lah.
What the fish lah.
Stage Miku.
Ikuchan.
Ada serang buka.
Adik, smiling. See your hair.
Ayo.
Ha.
Saya mandi ya.
Oh, mandi sama.
Dia dah mandi ke?
Apa?
Abang dah mandi ni bang. Buka baju.
So freezing cold. See? Kuku. This is so called Odoripa. This way, Ish. Come.
Sini bang.
Ha ha ha.
Ada orang bijak lagi.
Good morning, Sapporo. It was a new day, and we were heading to Takino Suzuran to play some snow. Takino Suzuran is a national park spreads over 400 hectares. And it is located 320 meters above the sea level. Let's make some snowman, guys! Next video in the making, adventurous time in Tokyo. And a lot of walking and underground train throughout capital city of Japan. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.